The words cloud computing can invoke many different meanings to many different people. I'm sure just hearing those words make definitions from trade magazines jump into your head, or maybe you use cloud computing in a specific way that colors your understanding of it. If you've never even heard of it, cloud computing is now just another catchy geek term that you have up in your brain. Explained improperly, it can be very difficult for us to come together on a common understanding of what cloud computing actually is, and it's important that we do so. So, to give us a laser focus for this overview of our IT department's internal cloud, we only need to focus and consider two main features. All the other features of cloud computing that you may have heard, like elasticity and chargeback billing, software as a service, infrastructure as a service, these are all secondary. But let's deal with these two top level features of our internal cloud, and we'll have a great understanding to work forward. First off, our internal cloud is seen by users of the cloud as simply a storefront of on-demand services. Customers of our IT services can visit this storefront and rapidly self-serve provision what they want, whether it is a simple Windows server, for example, or a complex server topology with a whole bunch of servers and networking and those sort of things, like maybe an SAP testing environment. Someone needing this service from our internal cloud should be able to visit the storefront, request the service, and see it delivered in minutes and of very high quality. Secondly, any service available in the storefront that is on demand must have a strictly governed and automated lifecycle behind it. This is the balance against the on-demand feature. We should not have willy-nilly provisioning where people can come in and do anything they want and their services that they provision live forever. Quite the contrary. We deliberately need to offer services that have very specific workflows behind them that ensure each provision service has a very strong regulatory stance, and each provision service fits into our capacity and evergreening planning and other enterprise concerns. And most of all, we need to manage the costs of these services very well. So visit an online storefront, request a service, initiate an automated workflow that requires approval if necessary, and then it will lay down the service in a way that meets our enterprise and regulatory needs, all in minutes. This is the focus of this presentation. This is the definition of what internal cloud means for us moving forward.